Deep pink. Let's draw a delicious hamburger. First, draw an oval bun. Excellent! Draw a yummy burger on top. And lettuce. Excellent! Now draw another bun on top. What? Yoo-hoo! How amazing! You've made an excellent hamburger!